In August, 17-year-old Nasanto Crenshaw was shot and killed by Greensboro Police near a shopping center on West Market. Officers say they pulled him over in a stolen vehicle, then he tried to flee. Around 8 months later, his mother still heartbroken.
But when they took my son from me, it's a hole that could never be filled.
Today, Crenshaw's family teamed up with multiple attorneys to announce that they filed a lawsuit against the unnamed police officer that shot Crenshaw and the city of Greensboro. It comes after Crenshaw's mother saw unreleased body cam footage of her son's shooting.
It is telling, horrific, and it's an absolute unlawful killing of a young black male here in Guilford County, North Carolina.
Authorities say while trying to arrest Crenshaw, his stolen car struck a police car, then he began accelerating. That's when they say he was shot. Attorneys at the public speaking said that the officer should not have shot at Crenshaw's vehicle if his tires weren't aimed at them.
The officer was outside of the trajectory path of the vehicle because of the angle of the shots that were fired this way through the passenger side of the vehicle.
Law enforcement says the position of the car will be released once the DA makes a ruling, but Doriety's attorney says it will play a key role in the lawsuit.
I could tell by the video my child was scared.
The family wants the officer charged. Greensboro police say the state is still investigating the incident and the officer on administrative duty. Reporting from Greensboro, Phil Sterling, ABC 45 News.